This is your Ifat ma'am welcoming you again to our channel Mathematics Online Tutorial, and today I am going to do a chapter which has been requested by my viewer. A viewer has requested to do sums on trigonometry, and so I am here with this chapter. Today I am going to tell you all a trick on trigonometry by which you can find the values of trigonometry. Now there are 5 angles that you have to just memorize. Keep them in your mind. These are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. These are the 5 angles that every child who is in the senior section, the 9, 8, 9, 10, has to remember the values, and it is often very difficult to memorize them. So today I am going to tell you a trick by which you do not need to memorize those values but understand and just find them yourself. Let's begin. Just keep your palm the way it is on the screen. Let your last finger be 0 degree, the ring finger 30 degree, middle finger 45, index 60 and your thumb be the 90 degree. Now how we will find the values by this? Now suppose we have to find the sine of all these angles. Now I will write sine, and on top I will write 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. I'll write sine here, a little below. That's good. Okay, sine. Now on top I'm going to write 0 degree, then leave a space, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree, and I'm going to show you how with the help of your palm you can find the value of all these angles so easily. You do not have to memorize them from henceforth. You'll be able to just understand. Just have your palm in front of you and keep writing the values of all sine theta and the cos theta, and I will tell you how you can do that. 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90. The degree sign, it is a little bigger, I guess. I'll make it smaller so that you do not have any problem. My children, I would always request you to go live with me. Take a pen, take a paper, keep doing it the way I am doing it on the screen. And I hope you have watched my previous videos also. I have done numerous chapters from the basics. Those who are facing a lot of problem in maths can improve their basic by watching my previous videos. So please go and watch them, and if you like the videos, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, like my videos. And yes, of course, what differentiates my channel from others is that I give the students an opportunity to interact with me, to write their doubts in the comment section, and write what keeps them away from maths. Okay, instead of yeah, I hope this you are understanding. That is 0 degree, then 30, 45, 60 and 90. You can take a pen and paper and please keep writing. Write it. Now when I was in school, my teachers always used to tell one very important thing to all of us, that the more you write, the more you remember. Writing is a very good habit which helps you to remember things. So and it really helped me out a lot, and I guess you all guys are going to get the same benefit if you get in the hobby of writing. So 30, 45, 60, 90. Now I have to put a little space between each. They are looking very congested, but for you, let's not waste time waste much time on this. I will just tell you sine. I will just write a little lower. Okay, now coming to 0 degree, the last finger. What you have to see is, do you have any more fingers after the last finger? No. Nobody has any finger, only except for those who have 6 fingers in their hands. Hrithik Roshan an exception. Jokes apart, this is the last finger and you do not have any finger after the last finger. So what you will do is, you just have to count the number of fingers that are present after the 0 degree sign. So you do not have any finger present. So you will write 0 on top, sine 0 is equal to 0 on top, divide by 2. The denominator will always be 2 in all cases. So 0 by 2 is 0. So sine 0 value is 0. I get 0 here. This rough work a little lower. This is the rough work that I'm showing, and this is the chart where you have to substitute the values, put the values for you to understand. So sine 0 I've got 0. Now coming to sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree. Now the ring finger, this one, this 30-degree ring finger. Now if you see your ring finger, and let's take the same concept, how many fingers do you have after the ring finger? After the ring finger we have only one finger, that is the last finger, the little finger. So I will write the number of fingers that are left on in the numerator, and denominator will always be 2. So in case of 30 degree I have 1 on in the numerator and denominator is 2. And this will be all root. Remember children, this is the root, you have to write the root of this. So here also I just missed this out, this only the top portion will be the root. I have to draw it properly. Only the numerator will be root and denominator will be 2. So root of the number of fingers left. Similarly in case of 30, root of 1 by 2. Now square root of 1 is 1, so 1 by 2 is the answer of sine 30 degree. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 because square root of 1 is 1. So 1 by 2, this is the value I get for sine 30 degree. Coming to sine 45 degree. Now 45 is the middle finger. So how many fingers do you have after that? You have 2 fingers. So the third case, I have 2 fingers left. So number of fingers left on in the numerator, so that is 2. Square root of 2. And denominator, as I told you, it will always be 2. So ये हमारा हुआ 45 का. Now I have to simplify this. Instead of 2, what I can write is root 2 into 2, root 2. So I will show you how to break this 2 into root form so that I can simplify this. So I will put an equal to sign here, or I will come here or here on the screen. I will show you how you can simplify this root 2 by 2. Now root 2 by 2 will not be written as it is. I have to simplify this. So root 2 by 2 I will write as it is. And instead of the denominator 2, remember children, any number that can be broken into square root form. If you have 3, so you can write root 3 into root 3. Similarly, if I have 2, I can write root 2 into root 2. So I will let the numerator be root 2, and in the denominator I will write root 2 into root 2. This is the a very important thing that you must understand. This is called rationalization actually. So instead of 2, I can write root 2 into root 2. So root 2 by root 2 will cancel and the answer will remain 1 by root 2. So you have sine 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2. Coming to sine 60 degree. So here I will write 1 by root 2. Isn't it easy? Although you might find it difficult initially it is, see, for everyone, even for me, when I do something for the first time, I do not find it as easy as it comes in the later stages of my life. Coming to sine 60 degree, how many fingers do you have left after that index finger? There are 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. So I will write root 3 by 2. Now since in this case both the numbers numerator and denominator are different, so I cannot do what I have done for sine 45 degree. Coming to sine 90 degree, similarly 90 degree, how many fingers you have left after the thumb? That is 4 fingers. Sorry, how many fingers you have left before the coming to this clockwise, okay? I will not say after or before, this is getting a little confusing. I will explain you by clockwise method. This is the clockwise. So if you see clockwise, how many fingers are left? There are 4 fingers left. So I will write root 4 by 2. So root 4 is 2 and 2 by 2 is 1. root 3 by 2 here I'll write. So this is what we have got the value without memorizing, without mugging it up. And remember children, once you understand how to find the value, sign values, finding cos is even easier. Just reverse the numbers from right to left and you get the value of cos. For example, if sine 0 is 0 and 30 is half, 45 is 1 by root 2, 60 is root 3 by 2, 90 is 1. So cos will be just the reverse, like sine 0 will be 1, sine 30 will be root 3 by 2, sine 45 will be 1 by root 2, sine 60 will be half, and cos 90 will be 0. Just opposite. आप साइन का जैसे वैल्यूज पढ़ रहे हो, कॉस का बिल्कुल उसके ऑपोजिट होगा. होप यू गाइज अंडरस्टूड दिस. और आपने अगर मेरे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज डू इट. आई विल कम अप विद मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग वीडियोस टू मेक यू हेल्प अंडरस्टैंड दिस सब्जेक्ट even easier. Till then, keep safe and keep loving and supporting my channel. Thank you.